Imagine a world where the sun, the very star that gives us life, suddenly turns unpredictable. A decade-long solar superstorms begins, pushing Earth into an era humanity has never witnessed. At first, the sky glows with auroras stretching across entire continents, but beneath that beauty is chaos. The magnetic field shakes, satellites flicker, and the digital foundation of modern civilization trembles. GPS networks drift out of sync, communication satellites become unstable, and airlines are forced to ground flights as radiation spikes beyond safe levels. The world realizes this isn't a passing disturbance, this is a new solar reality. As the superstorm cycle intensifies, the electrical grid becomes the planet's most fragile organ. Transformers overheat, long-distance transmission lines fail, and power outages spread like a global shadow. Financial markets freeze, navigation systems degrade, and internet infrastructure weakens under electromagnetic stress. Humanity enters a new age defined not by technology's rise, but by its vulnerability. Even underground data centers struggle as geomagnetic currents leak into the deepest systems we once thought untouchable. The question shifts from how to repair damage to whether our civilization can adapt to a world where solar turbulence never stops. Scientists race to predict the next wave, but the sun refuses to follow patterns. Nations deploy orbital shields, massive magnetic arrays designed to deflect incoming radiation. Yet these experimental technologies become symbols of desperation rather than confidence. Space agencies halt most missions, knowing that unshielded spacecraft would be exposed to lethal doses of solar particles. The dream of Mars colonization pauses as humanity fights for stability at home. Meanwhile, Earth's atmosphere thickens with charged particles, subtly altering climate behavior, increasing temperature swings, and intensifying storms at ground level. By year 7, humanity evolves. Cities develop solar-resistant infrastructure, quantum communication replaces vulnerable satellites, and local power grids become decentralized and resilient. The crisis becomes the catalyst for a technological renaissance. We learn that survival is not about resisting the sun, but adapting to it. And when the 10-year superstorm cycle finally calms, humanity looks upward with a new understanding. The sun was never a threat, but a reminder that even the most advanced civilization is still fragile beneath the rhythms of the cosmos. The decade of solar fire becomes the event that pushed us into a future defined not by fear, but transformation.